Hey, hi guys, Gail here from IMM Academy. This is the place where you learn step by step how to get online, build your websites, and then sell your services to other people so that you can help them as well. So what I want to show you today is some great themes that you can use. Some are free, some are paid for. This particular one we're looking at now that I've built the IMM Academy on is absolutely awesome because you can do so many things with this theme. You can build sales pages, launch pages, blogs, membership sites, all sorts of things. It's amazing. And so see these little boxes here? This is easy. This comes with the theme. You just click a button and these all pop in. It's easy to use. See another box here? You can put testimonials in at just a click of a button actually, and all you have to do is fill in the details. It's pretty cool. You put your videos in. You can make squeeze pages, opt-in pages, anything that you want to do, and it's done so quick and easy. So what I want to do is show you a couple of things that you can do with this particular theme. Now also we have it here as well. It's the same theme here, and what we've done here is put a video here and the opt-in box. I want to show you how easy it is to change it all around. So pretty simple stuff. So let's go into the back here, and we're here in a new page. Now let me just go back to this one. I want to show you. I just need to grab a little bit of content out of here. That'll do. Copy it, and then we're going to paste it into here. And I want to show you how easy it is to change it all around. Okay, so here we'll just do this. We need to get rid of those little. Okay, so here we go. We'll just make that one there. So if we decide, hey, I want to put a red dot here, a red tick, this one here, we might want to put a green arrow. How easy is that? So you can just go down and do all that sort of thing. Very simple. Now I'm not going to spend much time showing you because there's so much here. If you want to bring in a little box like I showed you before, let's say we want that one, that's easy. We just go in and there it is, and then you just type content in here. Alright, simple, isn't it? So that's the box. And let's just get outside the box. I just need to go in here. Sorry, let me just go here. Just add a little bit of text so I can see what I'm doing here. Alright, now let's say we want to add something else. Let me show you some other amazing things it has in here. It has all these different boxes, but this is the thing I absolutely love, the testimonial template. How cool is that? So you just have to add the picture in there, and you can write all the stuff around like I've done on here. Oh, sorry, I beg your pardon, on here. So all I've done is put one of those boxes in, alright, and then put the photo in, and then just written the stuff around it. How cool is that? Simple, simple stuff. Now we just need to get on the outside of this again, just so I can show you what we're doing here. Now what else we got in here? Let me show you very quickly. We have down here, oops, another little template, product detail template. Let's have a look here. And here it is here. And you saw it on the other page. And you can change these things here if you want. You can put little arrows. You can put crosses if you want. Oops, there you go. Lots of things, guys. Such a cool theme. I love it to bits. Very simple to use as well. So sorry, I'm just doing that just because I'm in a hurry. Otherwise I would be able to work it out quicker and show you a different way of doing it, but we'll just do it that way. Let's say you want to add a little picture. Join now, insert, and where'd it go? Oh, we put it up the top. Okay, fair enough. So there's the join now. Oh, sorry, that's not where we want to go. Let's go back here. Let's go into here. We've got lots of little pictures in here as well, and some of you are going to love these because this is so cool. There's your secure order. Isn't that neat? And then you can bring video and all sorts of things. It's a great, great theme. And so I'll just tell you where you can get this from in just a moment. Alright, so if you go to bestsalestheme.com, then you will be able to see this theme, and you can have a whole lot of fun with it. Now, there's a lot of video in there in the manual as well, so you won't have to worry about how to use it because it's all there. Simple stuff. Now, also, just a little tip. I've also got on here Tiny MCE Advanced. So I put that on here as well. It's a plugin, alright, so just go to plugins and then just navigate away from the page. Yes, so just go to plugins and just type in Tiny MCE. Let me just show you where it is. There it is there. Tiny MCE Advanced. And that will allow you to add different fonts and different things like that. Alright, so that's what I've used in many of these different themes. Oh, and I was just going to show you how easy it is to change the opt-in. So let's just go here quickly, go to a page, and let's go to, actually we'll go to the page, this one here. This is the main page. And you'll see now that it has this particular opt-in box here. I'll show you how simple it is to change everything. So we have the headers, the page settings, so you set that up, the size, the different color that you might want. At the moment it's that particular color, but you can change it to whatever color you want. Okay, so that's pretty easy. So you just go in there and set up that, the font size, all that sort of thing as well. So that's pretty simple. Then the header settings, and that's when you can put in your image URL, anything you want to put in there, that's where you put it in there. And then we have headline. So you can see the headline on here is everyone looked at me as crazy, yada yada. And that's where you put it in there, and you select the color that you want and the kind of font that you want. That's pretty simple so far. And then you have the sub headline, and that's the little bit down in here. Alright, so you can set all that up as well. Isn't that cool? That's pretty simple so far, right? Then we have the opt-in form. But what I want to show you here is that you can add comments up here if you want. So it's just a matter of dragging and dropping. Let's have something else up here. Let's go, I think I'll put the registration form there. And so you can change it all round. It's so easy to do. Now I want to look at the opt-in form. At the moment, that's the way it looks. But let's say we want to do the animated one. And that's got an arrow that goes up and down, up and down. So it's animated. Let's say you want the pink one. That's the way it looks. Let's say you want the green one. That's the way it looks. And then you can add in your code down here from your autoresponder. Pretty simple stuff. You can put in your e-cover image if you're giving away a book. And you can write all these bits of information in here. So go back to here. There's the information there that I was just showing you. You write it in here. It's so simple to use, guys. You're going to love it. And it's set up this time as a landing page, but you can have a blog or membership sites, all these other different things that you can do with it. It's very cool. So what I want to show you is, so that's it really on this particular theme. You're going to love that one. I was going to show you the next theme, which is the standard old theme that comes with WordPress. I want to show you just a couple of things you can do with that. So firstly, we'll go to the appearance, we'll go to menu, because a lot of people don't know you can do this with this particular theme. We'll go to header. Let's change the header. Now they give you options of different kinds of headers, or you can browse for one yourself and you can put up one of your own headers. Let me just find one. Hold on a minute. Just any old thing will do, won't it? Yes, it will. Let's go here. Upload. So what happens is that this will upload your particular header. You need to, so I need to change the size of it really. But anyway, we're just going to go crop and publish. It's a bit big, this one, so we only got a wee bit of it on there, but that's okay. We'll go with that at the moment. We'll go save changes. Now you can come into the background, and you can also do the same. You can upload a picture into the background as well. Or if you don't want to upload a picture into the background, you can just select a color. So that's entirely up to you and what you want to do. So we won't, yes, we're going to wait for it. There it is there. Or you can remove it. Let's just go save changes so you can see how ugly it's going to look now. And we'll do a refresh on here. And there you go. You can see that. And there's the background, which looks pretty ugly. So we'll remove the image. You can change that, by the way, to look different, look a different way. Let's make it yellow. We'll go there, save changes, and then we'll come back here, do a refresh. Alrighty, so now it's yellow. Okay, so that's fantastic. Now what we want to do, up the top here we have sitemap, terms and conditions, privacy policy, and sometimes we don't want them up there and we prefer them down the bottom. I'm going to show you how to do that very quickly. So we go into menus. firstly. And what we're going to do here is we're going to, first of all we need to just do this little job, just a moment. Okay, so what we have to do now is we have to add a footer. So we've got a home menu, now we have to add a footer. So we'll go here, footer. Alright, it's already there, so we'll go create a menu. And then what we want to do is bring some things into here. So let's go, we want the sitemap, we want the terms and conditions, the privacy. We're going to add that over into here. Now they're here. So we're going to go save the menu. And now what we need to do is go to widgets. Okay, so we whip over to widgets and we have custom menu here. Now what we need to do is open up first footer widget area, grab that, pop that in there like so, just go save, and that should be ready to go. So we just do a refresh here, and here it is, oopsie, right down the bottom here. How about that? Isn't that cool? So it's all there, it's ready to go, it's out of the way. So we can now take it off the top menu. So what we need to do is go back to the menu system here, go into home, and all we need to do now is, actually it's sitting there because it was up there before. So we just need to go in and take out each one of those particular things. So I won't do it now, but it's just got it because I did a test run before, and so that's why it's sitting up there. But what we need to do is, if you've got pages up the top that you don't want up the top, all you have to do is basically take them out and remove them. And it's the same with the footer. So if you've got something in the footer that you don't want in the footer, well, you just tell it you just go in here and go remove, save the menu, and come back here, do a refresh, and it should be gone from down there. Alright, so it has gone. Now if you don't want it to go in that first widget bar, you can put it in the third one. I think there's a third there, isn't there? Yes. So we've got a first, second, third, and fourth if you want. So you could pop it in there if you wanted. So you could go, well, I actually want it in there. Okay? And so what you do is you come in here, go here, and delete it out of there. Alright, so let's just see if that worked. Okay, so it didn't. Maybe I need to save it somewhere along the line. Save it there. Let's go back and have another look. Maybe because there's nothing in the other ones, is it? Okay, maybe that. Alright, that one didn't work. That's what happens with live, doesn't it? But I'm sure you'll have a little bit of fun with it anyway, and be able to move things around and put them exactly where you want them. So have some fun with that, guys. And that's two different themes that you can use. That is the this one here, which is the bestsalestheme.com. And then the last one I was going to show you is actually my theme as well, which is called Versatile. And the thing with this, it's kind of similar to this one here. It's kind of similar, but it does a few more things. And so if you want to have a look at this, I'll put the link in as well, and you can download this one as well. So it does a few extra things, but you can please yourself which one you want to go with. Now I have some other themes here, easy WordPress salespages.com, and these create little skinny little pages like this, and very simple to do as well. So I hope that you found that really helpful for you. I know I've gone on a little longer than I wanted, but the bestsalestheme.com is excellent. This one here, which is the easy WordPress salespages.com, and my versatile theme, which I'll also put in the link down the bottom, all excellent for you to use. Plus this one that comes free with WordPress. You can certainly do some things on it, change it around, add your different widgets down the side, make it different colors, and it's just a very simple theme to use. So it's entirely up to you what you want to do. And I hope you've found this all very, very helpful. And I'm Gail from IMM Academy. Have fun and make lots of money.